So is this double baffled? Okay, double baffled. How big is the box net cubic wise? Do you know?
14. No. 12 and a half.
12 and a half. Okay. That's actually a really good space for what level subs?
18s. ZVX.
ZVX. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, Skar's pretty nice. They sent me the cut sheets of it and everything.
There you go. That was pretty sweet.
So I just had the I put the Skar on the side.
Oh, that's pretty sweet. I like that.
And then I went with just the spackle paint book because I didn't want to get all
just
pretty
splattered black.
Yeah, splattered those.
Mm-hmm. What is it box tuned to?
32.
32. Okay.
Yeah. I did a 145 yesterday.
140. Are the subs still breaking in?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they're brand new.
Yeah.
I've had them 2 weeks.
2 weeks. All right.
Yeah, 145.
Awesome. Which is actually pretty good. Are you happy with it yet, or are you trying to get a 50?
No, I'd like to do the 150.
Yeah.
But I didn't have the Sundown. I had the Skar.
Was it a 3500?
3500.
Okay.
1.0.
Yep. Yeah, that'll help you gain a little bit too. All right, man.
Yeah,
I'll catch you in a little bit for a demo.
Yeah, man. I'll probably.
Yes, sir.
Not today. Not today.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, that's pretty
You got to hit every note, dude.
Yeah.
Awesome. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Thank you.
First build, man.
Yeah, that's awesome.
First build.
First build, really impressive for a first build, for sure. Did you ever get to find out meter-wise?
145.
145. Yep,
Yeah,
that's right.
145
Okay. Yep.
I was actually right behind Nexo when you get 160.
Do it, really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So it was, yeah, it's definitely.
Yeah, thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Great build.
Not today.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.